In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your free trial with ease. It's a straightforward process that can save you from unwanted charges, allowing you to make decisions about your subscriptions without a hitch. First, let's begin by navigating to the Settings and Billing section. This is usually located in the account settings of the service you're using. When you're on the home page, look for your account icon or menu option, which is typically found at the top right corner of the website or app. Once you locate it, simply click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From there, you should see an option labeled Settings and Billing. Select this option to continue. Upon entering the Settings and Billing section, you will encounter various subcategories related to your account, billing, and subscriptions. Our focus today is on subscriptions, so find the Subscriptions tab or link. This part of the settings displays all the active subscriptions and trials associated with your account. It's important to have a clear understanding of what's here, as this is where you can manage your subscriptions effectively. Now, once you're in the subscription section, you should see a list of your active subscriptions. This is where you'll find the free trial you are currently using. Each item on this list is typically accompanied by details such as trial period duration, next billing date, and the option to modify or cancel. Locate the specific free trial you wish to cancel. It's essential to double-check to ensure you're selecting the correct trial, especially if you have multiple subscriptions active. Once you've identified the correct trial, you'll see an option labeled Cancel Trial. This is the key to completing your task today. Click on Cancel Trial to initiate the cancellation process. Often, services will present you with a confirmation prompt or explain what losing access might entail. This is a good moment to make sure you're ready to proceed with canceling. If you're certain you no longer need the features or benefits of the trial, confirm your cancellation. After confirming, you should receive a notice or email verification acknowledging that your trial has been successfully canceled. Keep an eye on your email inbox for this confirmation. It serves as proof that you canceled before any charges were applied, which is handy for preventing unexpected billing issues. By following these simple steps, you have effectively managed your subscription and avoided any unnecessary charges. Taking control of your subscriptions is essential for keeping your finances in check and ensuring you only pay for what truly adds value to your life. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Please feel free to check out other videos for more practical tips and tricks.